And now to blast or not to blast, featuring your comments.
Carl Hungus writes, "Awesome. This would be a great technology to help my mother-in-law remove her makeup." No, it wouldn't, Carl. When a woman says she's going to put on or remove her face, she doesn't mean it literally. Never point the Dustless Blaster at the dermis. T-Lit says, "It would be good to clean my mother-in-law's teeth." No, it wouldn't, T-Lit. It would be a great way to go to prison. The Dustless Blaster is far too powerful for use on tooth cleaning, even on your mother-in-law's. How about just remove the mother-in-law? No. It will definitely remove your mother-in-law from the makeup, LOL. No. Then equipment can remove red curb? Yes, it can, Carlos. In fact, I'm glad you asked. It can remove any sort of pavement marking from epoxy to thermoplastic, and it can remove it quickly, completely, and without damaging the underlying surface, even if that surface is asphalt. Dustless Blasting, too powerful for mother-in-laws, but perfect for pavement marking removal. And remember, the past tense of William Shakespeare is would I was Shakespeared.